Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez back again. We're going to talk about what I just received from the UK from FOTOSPEED, the company that manufactures all of these great papers that are available to all you European folks. Again, this is not something that I can get readily here. I think there is a way to do that. But anyway, they sent me a stack of sample packs for me to evaluate. And I promised them that I would be doing several types of tests on different printers with different inks and so forth. So they sent me a whole stack, and I'm going to read to you what this contains. And by the way, I'm going to cover this up for now. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of out of camera range. Something I received also today, and that'll be on the next video coming up. So it's going to be a lot of fun. All right, let's go ahead and read some of the papers that are going to be included in this process that I'm going to be performing in the next, probably a whole month is going to take. So, of course, the FOTOSPEED papers, and feel free to just go to their website and examine all of the different papers that are available. I'm just going to go ahead and very quickly read. This is not going to be an actual demonstration, just kind of a teaser as to what's coming up. And hopefully you guys will be anxious to see what kind of results we get with these papers. I have never tried any of these types of papers from this particular brand, so it's going to be a huge adventure for me as well. Professional inkjet media from FOTOSPEED. For every print, it says choose the paper to suit your image from our award-winning range of FOTOSPEED fine art and photo inkjet papers. And then it gives you the phone number to call for information. So we have two types of sample packs here. You can see that some of them are quite thick. So I assume those are probably the fine art papers. So in the fine art matte inkjet paper category, we have platinum matte. We'll see what that looks like. It is a 280 gram paper. We have smooth cotton, or SC, as they abbreviate it, and it's a 300, very difficult to see because it's a dark red indication, 300, and we have high white smooth HWS 315, platinum etching. Oh, I get it. Let's start again. They have categorized this, okay? I misread this. So in the platinum category, we have matte 280, platinum etching 285, platinum cotton 305, and cotton etching 305. Okay, so that makes sense, as whatever that category basically means. Those are 4 different types of paper bases, I believe, and also weights. Now in the next category, we have smooth cotton, and that is a 300 gram weight. We have natural soft texture, nice, bright white, 315, and then natural texture, not soft texture, but natural texture. So I'm curious to see what the differences are between those two papers, also at 315. And then the last category for the fine art papers is high white smooth, 315, natural soft textured, 315, and natural textured bright white. I hope that doesn't mean that it has OBAs. We'll have to check further. Now, fine art glossy inkjet paper. So these will probably be your regular. No, they're not. They are actually fine art. Art fiber, platinum gloss art fiber. That is a 300 weight. Platinum Barita or Barita, 300 weight as well, and unglazed gloss. That sounds interesting. Legacy is called, and it is a 355. Wow, that's almost like cardstock, almost. We'll see where we can print that through. If a printer is able to handle something that heavy, although heavy weight paper does not necessarily mean stiffness. It could be very flexible. Photo inkjet papers. I think we're getting closer to the regular category. Pigment friendly I love that. Luster, $2.75. Pigment friendly luster dual side, possibly. It doesn't give a weight that I can read. Matte Ultra, $2.40. Photo Smooth Pearl, $2.90. Matte paper, matte proofing, $1.70. And metallic gloss, pigment friendly gloss, $2.70. Matte duo, a dual-sided matte paper, nice. And that is a $2.40. And a metallic luster, $2.75. So that's a lot of papers to examine, okay? A lot of stuff to look at. And this is what the front of the pack looks like. We'll see what the big one looks like. Basically the same thing. In the front, it gives you a list right here of all of the papers that are included in that particular pack. So again, this is going to take me probably a couple of months to achieve. Remember, I'm still busy with school. I get to pick up my grandson about 3 days a week. So I hope to be able to do some of this during the day. By the time I get home, having to deal with that boy and homework, it's probably not going to allow me to get much done in the evening. So hopefully during the day. So that is it for now. This is going to be a lot of fun and a great deal of new discoveries for me as well. And hopefully I will be able to convey this in video format to you guys. You'll have to trust my judgment and my descriptions with my own eyes. And I will compare these papers with some of the current papers that are available here in the US, specifically for Canon as well as Epson. We'll see how they stand up or not. Maybe, who knows? All right, so that is it for now. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like as always. Happy printing, everybody. Bye-bye.